Hello everyone, I'm Yan and welcome back to HR and Legal Department video series. As normal, HR and Legal Department will make the videos to show you some information that related to HR and Legal Department. And today, I would like to introduce about the process for staff start working in the HR system. So to ensure that the chief admin at branch process correctly for staff start working, today, HR and Legal Department will make video to show more detail about that. And this video will have three parts. The first part will show you the general process that admin will process for staff start working. And the second part will be the correct update attendance in HR system for staff start working. And the third part is the process to update waiting for resignation for staff start working in HR system.
Let's begin with the first part, briefly about process. In this part, we will take a quick view about the process from when staff notice that she or he will resign and until delete staff from HR system. The process are divided into 4 steps. Step 1. Notice in advance about their resignation. Staff resign need to notice for direct manager in advance, follow the government law. And then direct manager inform to branch director and chief of admin for arrange the work and recruit new staff and process the next step. The second step is process resignation documents. Chief admin or direct manager process for staff do resignation documents. Chief of admin inform staff start working to HR and legal department too. And the next step is process staff start working in HR system. We will have update attendance for staff and update waiting for resign. So this step is a process that I want to training for admin branch today, and I will take more detail in the next part. And the last step, process delete staff from HR system. In this step, chief of admin will send the document for HR and legal department, and then HR and legal department collect all the document of resignation staff in the month and process to make the decision and process to delete staff from HR system. Move on to the second part. In this part, I just want to remind all of admin about the attendance formula for stop working staff. Firstly, the attendance formula for stop working staff is always UL, unpaid leave, from the day staff stop working until their name is deleted from HR system. If in previous holiday registration, he or she have registered already, then the formula will automatically show letter H and number H. In case staff stop work before that holiday, we need to update to UL on. And the last one I want to remind is where after we update, we need to export the attendance list to check all staff as well as staff stop working again. If have any day that wrong formula, admin need to do form and inform HR legal department to unlock and update again. And the third part, also the last part of video today, I will show you how to update waiting for resignation for staff correctly. And I want to have some notes like admin need to update waiting for resignation for staff right after he or she stop working. When update waiting for resignation, we need to process carefully because this process we can do only one time and we cannot edit or delete or add new. So please carefully. To process correctly, I will show you the process to update waiting for resign in HR system. First, you open HR system, typing the code staff and click to the correct name. The system will let you into the profile of staff. Click to symbol and choose prolong option. In here, we will add new to create a prolong option for staff. In this case, we choose reason is waiting for resignation. Fill the effective date. Effective date is the date that staff stop working. attach the resignation document if finished already, and note the reason that why staff stop working. Okay, then we click add new. The system show like that mean that you have process done. So that is all process for resignation staff. I hope that all of chief admin will understand and process correctly. Wish you have a good health, good luck for your work, and success career with GI Service. Thank you.